Hello friends, how are you? So I'm again here with the same function, that is Vlookup, and this time I'm going to show you how to insert a chart related to the subject marks which are synchronized with the name of the student. So I'm having three subjects marks, that is mathematics, physics and chemistry. So to bring those marks, I will have to synchronize these subjects with the data sheet. So for that purpose, I will use Vlookup function of Google Sheet. So here this is. So in the cell, I will have to apply Vlookup, and after Vlookup, I'll have to mention the search key. So search key is none other than I4. So I'll have to write I4 here like this, and after that I have to mention the range. So what is the range? So range is the complete sheet. Complete sheet I am taking here, and after mentioning the sheet range, I will have to put the index of the column which I want to bring here. So the column number is, since I want to take maths column here, so I'll take maths here. So this is the maths column is column number 30, column number 3, sorry. So column number 3, and putting the comma here, and after putting comma, I'll have to mention whether it is sorted or not sorted. So I'm giving here as sorted, and after mentioning the sorted, I will have to close the parenthesis. So here this is, and press the enter. So since Akanksha is here, so Akanksha's mass marks are 64, so it is 64 here. And now in the column physics, I'll have to apply the same VLOOKUP. So I may copy this from here also. I'm going to copy. So I4 A to G11, and column number 4 here, that is physics. So column number 4 and sorted. So column number 4 is 34. So 34 are reflected in column number physics. And now chemistry column. So in the chemistry column, same function will be applied like this, and only column number will be changed. Copy and paste, Control V. I'm sorry, B should be I4 and A1 to G11 is the range, and column number 4, and column number 4 is again 34. So here you see marks of this student in maths are 64, marks in physics 34, marks in chemistry are also 34. And if you select other student like this, Gorvi, so here the marks of Gorvi in maths 48, marks in physics 54, and marks in chemistry it should be chemistry, that is 34. So 48, column number 3, column number 4, and this is column number 5. I'm sorry. So it should be 5 here. And after 5, as soon as you press enter, you'll get 28. And select another student, say Harmanpreet. So mass marks are 60, physics marks 62, and chemistry 66. So this way our three columns like mass, physics, and chemistry are synchronized with the name column, that is I4. And now I have to insert the chart. So I'll have to select the entire row here this way, and I'm going to insert the chart here. So this option to insert the chart, click it and see how this chart is being inserted for the name whichever is selected from the drop down list. So here this is, and resize it, and here after resizing this, so I'll have to get this. So this way whichever or whosoever student you select is chart is reflected here, chart is automatically printed. So here if I select this student, her chart is reflected here. If I select any other person like this, her chart is reflected this way. And if I select another student like this one, her chart is this. So this way I have applied how to insert the chart using the range selected and using the Vlookup and data validation. So this is how we can use Vlookup in our Google Sheet, and depending on Vlookup how we can insert the chart. So this is the demonstration of Vlookup and chart as well. Thank you, hope you understood, and if you have any problem, kindly do write to me in the comment below. Thank you.